Good morning class. Today we are going to revise the chapter 2 virus alert. So let's start the class. So if we talk about the virus, computer virus, then a computer virus is spread from one computer to another computer through email attachments, portable devices like pen drive, file downloads or malicious script introduced by a website. It attaches itself to a number of host files or processes and is triggered as per its design. A computer virus then processes to harm a computer system by corrupting its data and or stealing a system resource and control. About the types of viruses. So first virus is macrovirus. So macrovirus is a type of malware that target those files that are creating using programs such as Word, Excel, PowerPoint and Access. A macro is an instruction that carries out commands automatically. Now next virus is memory resident virus. This virus installs itself as a part of the operating system. They only act when the operating system starts running, after which any open file could get infected. They are normally found hiding in the RAM. For example, Rendex, AMG, etc. are the example of memory resident virus. Now the next virus is file inspector virus. So a file inspector virus attack a file and delete the information they may contain. These viruses simply replace the content present in the infected file with junk content. Next virus is directory virus. Directory, that is the folder. So our directory virus is usually located in the hard disks and may often attack an entire program from there. This type of virus generally infects a file with an extension .exe or .com. So .exe is a executable file. That means it attacks the executable file of any program, and that's why that program is not able to run. Now the next one is direct action virus. A direct action virus could be found in the root directory of a hard disk. However, it is known to change its location frequently. When activated, a direct action virus replicates itself and begins to attack the files present in the directory and the folder specified by the autoexe.bat path. An example of a direct action virus is the Vina virus. Now the next type of virus is boot infector virus. So this virus often attacks the master boot record of a hard disk. So there is an index in your computer book or in your notebook. So in the same way there is a record of the files present in the computer in a hard disk. That record is called the master boot record. So when present in a computer, they are activated even before the operating system is loaded. These viruses infect the hard disk or any part of bootable media such as CD-ROM or USB flash drive. USB flash drive means pen drive. Now the next virus is multi-party virus. So a multi-party virus is a computer virus that infects and is spread in multiple ways. Each infection by the multi-party virus is different from any of its previous attack. So it can attack in any way. It can attack like a boot infector virus. It can attack like a directory action virus. It can attack like a directory virus or any other type of virus. An attack by a multi-party virus may force a hard disk to reformat itself or bring about a change in the file size. Now next type of virus is email virus. So an email virus is known to hijack a user email account to replicate itself. It infects an email program such as Microsoft Outlook and gain access to its address book. Now we discuss about the types of virus. Now we are going to discuss about the other malicious program which are not come in the category of virus but they harm the computer. So first one is Trojan horse. It attacks the computer system by deleting and something rewriting the file system. So a typical Trojan horse imitates the appearance of a regular software. It attacks the computer system by deleting and something rewriting the system files. These are well-known malicious programs that are often specifically created to trace login detail of a user through and online transactions. Now next one is worms. So worms are malicious programs that replicate themselves from one system to another through a network. Unlike a virus, they don't need to host to run themselves. Worms don't harm any file or data of the computer like viruses, but they only replicate themselves to consume disk space, thereby making the PC too slow. Now we have discussed about the different type of viruses and different type of malicious program. Now the question is that what is the solution of and to protect your computer from this type of viruses. So the solution is antivirus software. An antivirus software is a security program that can protect your computer against a virus threat. So such a software can detect and block an attack from different type of malware programs. So the commonly used software of antivirus, first one is Avast antivirus, second one is AVG antivirus, third one is Norton antivirus, fourth one is Kaspersky Internet Security, and last one is McAfee antivirus. So what is the working of these antivirus? Basically these antivirus used to protect your system from the virus and different type of attack from the computer network like the internet. So this is all about the revision of the chapter 2. These are the main points of this chapter. Go through the exercise and the main points of this chapter. So prepare well for your exam. Do exercise part also. Stay safe, stay home. Thank you.